I don't believe you have to be better than everybody else. I believe you have to be better than you ever thought you could be, by Ken Torrey. I'm Roman Hill, and I go to Carmen High School and also attend the apprenticeship program at GPS Education Partners. I am currently working at ITU AbsorbTech in the production department. I joined GPS Ed because I wanted to learn a trade and get help finding a career. GPS Ed helped me gain a better understanding of what I want to go because it allowed me to work at one of the manufacturing jobs that is associated with GPS Ed. This gave me a chance to get a better understanding of what I want to do in the future. When I went to a traditional high school, I did not have the determination to do much of anything, to be honest. I was not challenged enough to use the best of my abilities. I just never had the motivation to strive for a career path I wanted to take. GPS Ed provided me the challenges I was looking for and helped me find the motivation that I needed. One skill that I learned in GPS Ed Education Partners was the ability to understand the various different types of blueprints. Blueprints help me understand the measurement and diameters and dimensions. I never thought I would have the capability of figuring out different patterns and terms that blueprints use. Blueprint reading was crucial for me to learn because I would like to become a software engineer. GPS Ed made it possible for me to have a clear mindset of what I want to do later on in my life. I love to visualize things in my head and try to think of it in a different way to figure it out. GPS Ed helped me to see the value and break down assignments so I can complete projects. The most important lesson I've learned about myself is realizing that I have the potential to do anything that I put my mind to. I sometimes lack the confidence to overcome a challenge I face that may seem overwhelming. However, the GPS Ed instructors have helped me realize how strong and important I am to continue fighting to triumph through hard challenges. They also guided me to what career path I wanted to take and helped me get one step closer to my goal. As I move forward in life, I plan to work during the summer and enroll at MATC to start my engineering career, software engineering career. I would like to start thanking everyone for helping me through this journey. Thank you, Mom and Dad, for always supporting me along the way and just being there for me from the beginning. Thank you to the people at ITU for helping me and learn new things and show me how to do tasks on my own. And Pierre and Rocio, thank you for guiding me and showing me what career path I would like to get into. Thank you, everyone, for being part of my life, and I deeply appreciate everything you all have done for me. Thank you to ITU AbsorbTech and Carmen High School for giving me the opportunity to succeed both in life and school. Thank you.